JetBlue Airways has taken delivery of its first of 13 A321LR aircraft featuring Airbus new Airspace interior. JetBlue will now enter new long-haul markets, such as London, that were previously unavailable with the airline's current fleet. The range of the LR is up to 4,000 nautical miles. JetBlue to launch its first ever transatlantic service between the US and London this summer. It has 97 tons maximum takeoff weight capacity and have 24 full flat adaptive mattress seats in the airline's Mint Premium Class private suites. JetBlue's A321LR is powered by two Pratt & Whitney GTF engines. The GTF engine, with its revolutionary geared fan technology, customers in both Core and Mint will be able to stay connected throughout the flight with the airline's popular unlimited, free high-speed Wi-Fi. While 114 economy passengers will appreciate the widest 18.4-inch seats with a contoured seatback for extra knee space. Most of these economy seats will offer a full 32-inch pitch, while 4 rows will be optimized for even more space seating.
If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel.